if you're applying for your state ID, driver's license, or social security card, I would encourage you to go ahead and check online for appointments, because I know in Texas here, they are not processing any application without you having an appointment. You can do walk-in, but it's not guaranteed that you will be seen that day. So they highly encourage you to go ahead and book an appointment online. The appointments take a long time. So what I do is go online to check to see if there is any open position in the nighttime, just in case somebody decide to cancel, their appointment. And at that time, I usually see 1 and 2 appointments that are early, but the earliest I saw was for 2 months in, so I had to wait like 2 months before I go ahead and do that application. So I would just say do that. But in the meantime, the wait time is going to be a very long time. I've seen 3 months, 5 months. And because of that, I was just trying to wait. But you can go ahead and book the 5 months out, and then as you go along, you refresh your page, or you just check online to see if anybody or if any open slots are available, and then you can always go ahead and cancel and get one of those earlier dates. All right, so just FYI. So one requirement for TSA is that you have to have a state ID in order to travel. So I'm just saying, a lot of persons are probably going to be flocking to the different DMVs right now to get their applications going. But remember, go online to look up if you have any appointments available for your state, and try to select one of those dates to secure your spot so you can have the application processed and done in a timely manner. All right, until then, thank you so much for tuning in, and I do hope you will have a wonderful day. And remember, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel and be a part of the ThinkNursing channel. All right, until then, bye.